As the clock strikes midnight on December 31st, billions around the world ring in the new year in vibrant, creative, and sometimes downright peculiar ways. Today, we take you on a journey to explore the most unique traditions from across the globe. In Ethiopia, the new year, known as Enkutatаш, is celebrated in September, marking the end of the rainy season and the arrival of spring. Families dress in white traditional attire, and children go door to door singing songs and gifting yellow daisies, symbolizing renewal and hope. In Ecuador, families build effigies, called Año Viejo, of politicians, celebrities, or personal memories. As midnight arrives, these effigies are burned, purging the past and welcoming a clean slate. In Italy, ringing in the new year comes with a splash of passion. Literally, Italians don red underwear on New Year's Eve to invite love, romance, and good luck in the year ahead. It's a tradition rooted in ancient beliefs about red warding off evil spirits and symbolizing vitality. If you're looking for love, maybe it's time to add a little red to your wardrobe this new year. In some parts of South Africa, like Johannesburg, residents quite literally toss out the old year by hurling unwanted furniture out of their windows. Wow, this bold tradition clears space, both literally and metaphorically, for new beginnings. This is wild. In Denmark, breaking dishes isn't a mishap, it's a heartfelt gesture. Danes hurl old crockery at the doors of friends and loved ones to symbolize loyalty and good fortune. The bigger the pile of shards, the more cherished you are. In Liberia, the new year comes alive with a spectacular devil masquerade. Performers don elaborate masks and costumes, symbolizing spirits to drive away evil and misfortune from the past. Accompanied by live drumming, singing, and dancing, the parade is both a celebration and a cleansing ritual, uniting communities in joy and renewal. In the Philippines, New Year's Eve is all about the shape of prosperity. Circles. Round shapes are everywhere, from polka-dotted clothes to tables brimming with fruits like oranges and grapes. These circles symbolize coins, bringing wealth and abundance for the year ahead. Even the way they move is intentional, keeping coins jingling in their pockets to attract good fortune. In Spain, New Year's Eve is all about the 12 uvas, the 12 grapes. As the clock chimes 12, Spaniards eat one grape for each strike, symbolizing good luck for each month ahead. But be quick, fall behind and you might leave some months unfulfilled. In Japan, the new year begins with a solemn tolling of temple bells in a ritual called Joya no Kane. Monks ring the bell 108 times, symbolizing the purification of 108 earthly desires in Buddhist belief. Each chime clears the way for a peaceful and mindful year ahead as families gather to reflect and start anew. In Kerala, India, New Year celebrations take a fiery turn, literally. As part of an old-age tradition, men jump over blazing bonfires to symbolize courage, purification, and a fresh start. The flames are said to burn away the past year's misfortunes, clearing the way for prosperity and strength. It's a breathtaking sight that lights up the spirit of renewal and resilience. These unique traditions remind us of the rich tapestry of cultures worldwide, each finding their own way to say goodbye to the past and hello to new beginnings. However you celebrate, here's wishing you a year filled with joy, prosperity, and unforgettable memories. Happy New Year to everyone, everywhere.